It's finally here. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has arrived and I couldn't wait to get my hands on this beast. Unboxing it, I was met with that familiar sleek design, but with a few noticeable refinements. The phone felt incredibly premium in my hand. It's lighter than the S24 Ultra, and the rounded corners felt really nice. First impressions? This is a seriously impressive piece of tech. The initial setup was a breeze, and I was immediately struck by the vibrant display. The colors just pop. Scrolling through the UI felt incredibly smooth and responsive. Samsung really outdid themselves with this one. I'm excited to dive deeper into what this phone can do. A macro lens, which is pretty cool. Samsung has definitely refined the design language with the S25 Ultra. The phone now sports rounded corners and flat edges similar to the S25 and S25 Plus. This makes it much more comfortable to hold and use, especially for extended periods. The bezels around the display are now even thinner, giving it a more immersive look and feel. And while it retains that premium build quality, it's noticeably lighter than its predecessor. The S25 Ultra just feels incredibly sleek and polished. One of the most talked about features of the S25 Ultra is the deeper integration of AI, powered by something Samsung is calling Gemini. It's designed to work seamlessly with both your Google and Samsung accounts. You can activate Gemini with a long press of the power button. However, I did notice a few quirks in my initial testing. For example, when I asked Gemini to add an event to my calendar, it defaulted to the Samsung Calendar app instead of my preferred Google Calendar. It's still early days, but I'm really interested to see how Gemini evolves and how well it can handle more complex queries and tasks. Section 5. The Now Bar. Live updates at a glance. Taking a page from Apple's playbook, Samsung has introduced the Now Bar on the S25 Ultra. Similar to iPhone's live activities, the Now Bar displays live updates from background apps directly on the lock screen. It's a neat feature, but it's still pretty limited in its current implementation. Right now it only works with a handful of Samsung's own apps. However, I can see the potential here. Imagine getting live sports scores, delivery updates, or even ride-sharing ETAs right on your lock screen. Section 6, Spec Showdown, S25 Ultra versus S24 Ultra. As you'd expect, the S25 Ultra is packed to the gills with top-of-the-line specs. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is a step up from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the S24 Ultra. You also get 12 GB of RAM, which is plenty for even the most demanding multitasking. The battery capacity remains the same at a massive 5,000 mAh. And of course, you still get the signature S Pen, which feels as responsive as ever. Overall, the S25 Ultra offers incremental but noticeable improvements over its predecessor in terms of raw power. Samsung definitely delivered on the performance front. Section 8, Future Potential, a glimpse into the Galaxy. While I'm still in the early stages of my S25 Ultra journey, I can already see the immense potential this device has. The combination of cutting-edge hardware, refined software, and ambitious AI integration is truly exciting. I'm particularly interested in seeing how developers leverage the power of Gemini and the Now Bar. Imagine the possibilities for personalized experiences, proactive assistance, and seamless integration with our digital lives. Section 9, Final Verdict, 48 hours in. My first 48 hours with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra have been nothing short of impressive. It's a beautifully designed, incredibly powerful, and surprisingly intuitive device. From the mind-blowing ultra-wide camera to the promising AI integration, Samsung has once again raised the bar for flagship smartphones. While there are still some areas for improvement, like the initial quirks with Gemini and the limited functionality of the Now bar, I'm confident that Samsung will continue to refine and expand upon these features. The S25 Ultra is a glimpse into the future of mobile technology, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes us.